Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable read receipts in X. Read receipts allow others to know when you have read their messages. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Look for the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Locate the account icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. From the account menu, find and tap on the Settings and Privacy option. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Privacy and Security. In the Settings and Privacy section, look for and tap on the Privacy and Security option. This is where you can manage the privacy and security settings of your X account. Step 5. Tap on Direct Messages. Within the Privacy and Security settings, locate and tap on the Direct Messages option. This is where you can manage the settings related to your direct messages in X. Step 6. Disable Send Read Receipts. Within the Direct Messages settings, find the option that says Send Read Receipts and disable it. This will prevent others from receiving read receipts when you have read their messages. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled read receipts in X. This setting gives you more control over your privacy and allows you to choose whether or not to share read receipts with others. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to disable read receipts in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.